Hope everybody's doing well. I had to buy a new vacuum cleaner because my old vacuum cleaner decided it wasn't going to work anymore. So my carpet's really dirty, and I'm going to open this new vacuum that I bought, and hopefully it works because my carpet is filthy. So I'm going to stop the video for a minute. I'm going to open it on the end, and then I'll be back to show you what's inside the box. Alrighty, I'm back. I'm cutting the last part of it on the box. So, bring this over a little closer so you can see what I see when I open the box. So, inside is if you want to register your vacuum cleaner for a warranty. It has the instruction manual. And some of you might be like me where you just, oh, I don't need that. Okay, it comes with a brush. This for a little attachment to get the corners. And again, like I said, please excuse my dirty carpet. My old vacuum decided to go kaput. So, I have this. Base of it. Let's see if there's anything else in the bottom of the box. Doesn't look like there's anything else in there. Nope. Nothing else in there, as you can see. Okay. So let me move this. Take off the plastic. Alright. Here's the handle. It's pretty lightweight so far. Well, I haven't put it together yet, but pretty lightweight. That's what it looks like. Yeah, excuse my dirty floor. That's why I need to buy the vacuum cleaner. Now, this, I'm guessing goes right in. There you go. Do you hear it click? Click right in there. I'm going to unfasten the cord and plug it in and see how it works. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I plugged it in, and this attachment right here, you could put one on this side like that, and the other one you could put on the other side like that. So turn on the vacuum. Let's see how well it does. As you can see, my carpet's filthy, so let's see how it does. So I'm not sure how loud it is, so bear with me. It's got two levers here. Purple one, that's the release, and then the red. So let's see how it does. Okay, not bad. So I'm going to stop the video again. I'm going to vacuum some more, and then I'm going to come back and give you my overall opinion of the vacuum. Okay, I'm back. Vacuumed the carpet. It has a lot of suction to it. I'm very happy about that because, you know, some vacuums don't have a lot of suction to it, especially when you buy the cheap ones. So I went to Walmart, picked it up at Walmart. Here's the name of it. There's the number 2112, and it was $39.99 at Walmart. I think that's a good deal, because why would I want to spend a few $100s for a vacuum cleaner that, to me, they don't last very long, especially nowadays. And as you can see the dirt in the vacuum that it pulled up. See it down there? So I'm very happy with it. So would I recommend this? Yes. So I would recommend PowerForce Compact Lightweight Bissell model number 2112, because right now I'm very happy. My carpet looks clean. 40 bucks plus tax. You can't go wrong there, because I definitely was not spending $300 to $400 for a vacuum, but that's just me. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'll answer them as soon as I can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for future videos that will be coming out. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to come back on here and tell you that in the manual it says in the box is an extra filter. Well, I double checked and triple checked. I did not find an extra filter, so I just wanted to let you know that there was no extra filter in the box. Again, thanks for watching.